Gotta prep Olivia's lunch for school. Like to do this the night before because one less thing to do in the morning. Got our lunchbox here with the compartments in it. Nice and convenient. Keep everything separated. Plus, Olivia's a big fan of the sharks on it. So I'm going to grab some sun butter, and I'm using sun butter because Olivia loves peanut butter, but kid in our class has a peanut allergy, so peanut butter is a no-no. Sun butter is a good substitute. Almond butter works as well, but I got the sunflower butter. I'm going to put some Nutella on the sandwich as well because I'm not sure if Olivia's going to see the difference between the sunflower butter and the peanut butter. So just in case, put some Nutella on there because she absolutely loves that stuff. And that's a hazelnut spread, peanut free as well, so we're good with that. Put that on, cut the crusts off, and I like to cut it into little cubes this way it fits nicely into the lunchbox. Put that in the big compartment right there. And I got this white cheddar Pirate's Booty. I get this by the case at BJ's. It's baked, it's made with real cheese, no artificial preservatives, so I like these chips. Put that in there. I like to give her some sort of fruit, so I'm going to grab a clementine and just cut that up, peel it, put it in the other compartment, and finally in that little middle compartment I like to give her something sweet. Have these dark chocolate covered blueberries. Even though I got the Nutella in there, so it's a lot of chocolate, but whatever. She likes the chocolate. Grab a juice box. Get a case of this as well from BJ's. It's like 4 different flavors in there. Put that in our little unicorn thermal case here. Pop this in the fridge. We're good to go for tomorrow.